Welcome guys, now we will be look in powerful AI tool. The name is Headshotpro. Headshotpro is a powerful AI tool. It's a headshot generator. It's only the 30-second created headshot and 100% free. There is no email required. Just we can see here the interface that we can create it, uploaded the email like this. We can create it, and this one is you can create it background and remove it and download it the headshot. And you can see here tags. We can create the tags in profile if we want to, and the positions in here. If we want to be zoom, we can zoom, offset, on 10 top, all these things. And this uh, if we want to set off left, this we can. If we want to rotate, then we can rotate. Okay, now if we want to the border, we can thickness. You can see here the thickness, offset we can do this, and the color also the add on it. If we want to color this all these things. It's a powerful and free of it. You can check it out, link in a description. You can, if you are new in my YouTube channels, that you can down subscribe my channel to watch the next video. Thank you.